Hey guys, today we have a Kendama unboxing. Here I have the all new craft Kendama in the jet shape. So without further ado, let's get started. That's all in the box. Alright, so it comes in this nice drawstring bag. It has the craft logo on it. There's Kusa on the back. So originally I ordered a maple, Chinn, and birch tama, but unfortunately they had to change it because there was not enough stock and they I guess oversold. So I got a birch tama and birch Chinn, I believe. Wow, this looks really nice. And obviously craft kendama is made in the USA, so it's very high quality. Just a string in the bag, blue string. Wow, this is really pretty. Quality on this looks amazing. There's the burn lines on the tama, 3 burn lines on the tama, and 3 burn lines on the Chinn. The lines on the tama help with tracking because this is an all natty kendama. And for this jet shape, I believe the serrato is wider, is thickened. The tama and Chinn are also a little bit bigger than the previous Nova shape. Bevel is also bigger. Stall points are sharper for better stalls. Overall, it just increases the playability of this kendama. Thicker handle stall, I believe. Yeah, props to the Kusa team for creating this new shape. I'm sure it's a great shape for all players to see the stalls. And I also believe there's better lunars too with this shape. Even on a natty, which is not easy to do. Still, it just locks right in. Yeah, this is a really nice looking kendama, and I'm sure it just plays amazing. Excited to play with this. Might switch the tama with a painted tama, but we'll see. Yeah, so again, props to the Kusa team for creating this new shape. I know it's going to be playing amazing, and it's going to be a favorite within the kendama community. Yeah, that does it for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.